Valerian is a medicinal herb, prized for its calming effects. But did you know it's easy to grow indoors? Welcome to the Hydro Grow Herbs channel. This is Mike, your host. Today we'll be learning how to grow valerian hydroponically indoors. Let's get started by talking about the essential supplies. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe. You'll need a hydroponic system, grow lights, a well-draining medium like rock wool, and a balanced fertilizer. Build your own scene. Valerian prefers cooler temperatures. Keep daytime temps between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and nighttime around 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is also key. Aim for 40 to 60% to keep your plants thriving. You might consider a grow tent for this. Provide valerian with 12 to 14 hours of balanced spectrum lighting. Blue, red, and green lights will help it grow strong. Next, you'll need to prepare your hydroponic system. Valerian grows well in both nutrient film technique and deep water culture systems. Now, let's talk about feeding your valerian plants. Use a balanced nutrient solution and keep the pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Valerian requires a bit more iron and manganese compared to other plants, so make sure to adjust micronutrients accordingly. Ready to start growing valerian? Let's talk about propagation. You can grow valerian from seeds, cuttings, or root division. Seeds take longer to germinate and require cold stratification. Cold stratification is a process where seeds are exposed to cold, moist conditions for weeks to break dormancy and encourage germination. If you're looking to harvest roots sooner, go with root division or soft stem cuttings. Plant valerian seedlings 12 inches apart to give the root space to grow. As valerian grows, you'll need to maintain optimal conditions. This may be difficult in a small hydroponic garden, but you can start them closer and move them as they grow. Check and adjust pH and nutrient levels regularly to avoid nutrient lockout. Let's not forget about pruning and training your valerian plants. Prune your valerian regularly to promote bushy growth and control its height. Training helps control the plant's size in small spaces. Use stakes or a trellis to guide your valerian's vertical growth. Now, let's discuss common pests and diseases to watch out for. Aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs can affect valerian plants. Keep an eye on your leaves for signs of infestation. You can use neem oil or insecticidal soap to control pests. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew can also be an issue. Maintain good airflow to prevent it. Now that your valerian is thriving, let's talk about harvesting. Harvest valerian roots in the fall or early spring when the tops begin to die back. Be gentle with the roots during harvest to avoid damage. Clean the roots by soaking them in water and spraying off any dirt. After harvesting, you'll want to dry the roots properly. Dry roots at 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit with 50 to 60% humidity to avoid mold. Once dried, store your valerian roots in a cool, dark place. Properly stored roots can last up to 2 years. Ready to use your valerian? Let's talk about preparation methods. You can steep valerian roots in boiling water to create a calming tea. Alternatively, you can create tinctures or capsules from the dried roots. By growing valerian hydroponically, you can enjoy a constant supply of this medicinal herb. Let's review the main steps for success. Maintain proper temperatures, provide full spectrum lighting, monitor nutrient levels, prune and train, and watch out for pests. With these tips, you'll have thriving valerian plants in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more in-depth tips on hydroponic gardening, check the description for more resources. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Mike, signing off, and keep on hydroponicking.